Si Sofia ang pinakabuutan nga babae nga ako ang nakauban sa kong kinabuhi. Sofia, buutan niya na si Sofia. Iyang ngalan karon bago kay Kuan, si Geraldine. Hi Geraldine! Kuan siya na, bukas siya. So, maayong udto, maayong magandang hapon po sa lahat. Ito po yung humble home namin. Kasama po ko si Sofia at yung anak niya. Si Sofia ay pinakamabait na tao na kilala ko sa balat ng lupa. Si Sofia ay may anak na dalawa. Siya lang po ang nakatiis sa akin. At ngayon po ay iniinom ako ng tanduay. Mas masarap pala itong tanduay kaysa Red Horse. So, umiinom po ako. Medyo tipsy na po ako. I still have to finish this. This tanduay. This was a leftover from the Tagay last night. Kasama yung mga guests doon sa taas. So, they were checking out this morning, but they have left their things behind, and then they might come back later this afternoon or this evening to get all their things, and then they will travel back to Jinsan to set up for another opening of Robinsons, and then to Cotabato, then next to Davao, and then back to Manila. So that's all for now, and then Sofia, say hello to my vlog. Sofia is very busy with her dishwashing. Wala akong masabi kay Sofia kasi mabait ito si Sofia. She has been with me since I was 18 years old, and then she's back now, and she's very nice. And someday I'm gonna reward her with something really nice for her, because siya lang yung nakatiis na sa ugali ko, kasi ang mabait si Sofia. So sa hapong ito lang ang pwedeng ma-content ko, at yung dalawang coconut there. I'm thinking about having some buko juice in the next few days. Baka pupunta ko sa farm, kukuha ko ng mga buko doon at magbutong buko juice.